Principals and administrators want to know what their teachers are doing within a lesson, 45, 50 hour-minute period, where data is collected and informs what happens next in instruction. We need to, whether we like it or not, figure out how to add that data collection piece into our instruction habitually. It should become part of our daily rituals. It should be something that you're able to do on a regular basis. And it's just not going anywhere. We have to look at check for understandings or formative assessment in bite-sized moments within a period. You almost have to niche down the data. What is it that you are looking for specifically? There's almost so much out there that we can't possibly look at everything in front of us. So we have to make the cognizant, intentional decision as to what the task is that we want our students to complete. What is it that we are looking for that demonstrates proficiency? And what do we do if our students are not showing proficiency? And what do we do if they are? So within your lesson, you take one thing that your students are doing. Of course, it's going to relate to that learning target or that learning objective. It could be a turn and talk. It could be a stop and jot. It could be mental math. It could be the do now. It could be a written piece of information that you're going to have them do following your mini lesson. It could be a project that they are working on. And then decide what are the most essential, the most critical words, actions, cues, or behaviors that my students need to exhibit within this task that shows me that they are comprehending the content or demonstrating understanding of the skill. And then when you go around and you're working with your students, writing it down, a piece of paper on your lesson structure, on your lesson blueprint, on a spreadsheet, you're checking off the names of students who either got it or students who didn't. And what you do next within your lesson is going to be based on what you just collected. And then when your principal says, what is it that you're using to inform your instruction, you're going to say this. Remember, when you collect data, that's not formative assessment. That's the assessment in formative assessment. What you do with that data is what makes it formative. If you're wondering, okay, so then what do I do? Head to my YouTube channel. I've got small group instruction game plan. I've got the logistics of formative assessment, how to decide what your check for understanding is. Have at it.